Hey everybody, this is Wakefield with another video. And what I want to talk to y'all today about is a very popular site in the GPT community, which stands for Get Paid To. With this site here, you can get paid for signing up to offers, watching videos, pay to click ads. You can do tasks, you can do mobile and tablet stuff, you can refer friends. How you get paid? They pay by PayPal, they pay by check, and they pay by direct deposit. This site has been around since 2005. You might have seen other people talking about it online, and they keep making this site better and better. But if you're a person who needs some extra money, because you could be already doing some online, offline stuff, or if you're a person that's flat broke and need a way to put some money in your pocket, you can just grind on this site all day. And like I said, they pay by PayPal, direct deposit, and check. I can't say enough about it. Like I say, it's been around since 2005. I've made a little money off of it, but I do a lot of other stuff. I could have made more in the past, but I just come back not that long ago, and you know, online you get pulled one way, get pulled another way, and I saw some other people that's making money that I know, do this online stuff, and so I'm back myself. Uh, you can also make money referring people. I think it's $1 for every time a person confirm their email, and I think it's $2 every time somebody complete a paid offer, and you get $5 every time your downline member gets an approved cash out. So it might even be more involved, but it's a win-win with Fusion Cash. They highly reputable. I think they got an A Better Business Bureau rating, but you can definitely go over here and grind. They got a community forum right here. They got a Get Help tab, and they even got a more link right here where you can do more than just what you see right here at those tabs right there. And it's free to join. So if you're a college student, you need some extra money, or you're a person who just want to add a little extra money to what you are already doing, or whatever your circumstance may be. Fusion Cash is definitely one site online that's going to pay you and pay you on time. Uh, you have to get $25 to cash out, and 15 of it has to be non-bonus credit. But like I say, $25. And I was gonna say something else. I can't even remember what I was gonna say. But but yeah, it just takes $25 to cash out. So if you grind on this site every day, you'll be at $25 in no time. So uh like I say, it's free. Uh if you work on this site all day, uh I mean, this site can really get you out the hole if you do all the tasks and stuff like that, and then refer other people. Or you would have a nice little piece of change or whatever. So with that being said, I'm gonna put the link below, and I'm also gonna put a link to my blog below. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and click that notification bell. And I'm gonna have a lot of other stuff coming. So y'all stay tuned. Y'all have a wonderful, blessed day, and get signed up with Fusion Cash for free today. Peace.